What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I am super excited today because we get to talk about a project that is my favorite in the blockchain space. So before we dive in, let's note this disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, have fun, make a little bit of money, but get things on your radar. Okay, let's dive straight in. Fantom Foundation is what we're talking about today, guys. Overview of the top, we've got technology, which has got your intro to Fantom, the stake, FTM token, the consensus, Opera chain. I'm going to talk about everything here, okay? The tools, which is the Fantom wallet, which I will go in and I've connected up so you can see it. The FTM scan, and we've got the enterprise, which is quite cool if you go and actually discover what the enterprise clients are all about. We've got the ecosystem, which definitely we'll touch on, and the developers. Now, that's the button you want to click to get to the Fantom wallet right there. I'm going to quickly give you an overview of what it is, and then we'll dive straight through, okay? So performance matters. Fantom is a fast, high throughput open source smart contract platform for digital assets and dApps. Remember, dApps is decentralized apps. It's a bit of slang in the gang of technology that we use. Going down. Why Fantom? That's the big question. Why Fantom, right? It's very fast. You can scale this uncontrollably. And the speed is ridiculous when using normal life things like payments, like linking to banks, like storing medical documents, things like that. If you actually play this video, it's going to give you an in-depth reasoning to what this is, okay? Not just my quick overview. I want to keep it short and friendly for this video, but click on that and it will show you. Their blockchain technology is a custom technology where it allows you to scale to a huge market, right? And adapt these to real world things. At the bottom, we can see here, almost instant transfers. Now, I mean, the second you tap or swipe your card, these transfers are done. This isn't a swipe, ping on your phone, bang, 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 here's your money. This is it's done. Simple. Simple, secure, it's very, very secure. The validator nodes from global trustless and leaders proof of stake network. Highly scalable, like we've talked about. It can process thousands of transactions per second and scale to thousands of nodes, okay? And it's Ethereum compatible. So it isn't EVM compatible. Deploy and run on your Ethereum dApps or Fantom. Going down, looking at the dApps now. If you are in any YouTube channel like ours, or if this is just your only one, you will know that some of these dApps are the biggest you can get, okay? Look through these. They're all massive 1-inch, Sushi, Solidify, Paraswap, Kyber DM. Don't need to go through them all, but every main dApp that you need is going to a dApp. Fantom. Simple as that. You can go through all the cross-chain bridges, lending and borrowing, and so on. Even the NFT platforms, okay? When you've got the Zoocoin, which is one of my favorites, you can go through the gamifies. Really, really cool. We've got loads on there, and the tools, and the wallets. Obviously, the most popular, MetaMask in mine, and Coinbase. Then we've got the F wallet, Trust wallet, Ledger, everything you need. It's incredible. I want to talk to you now. That's the project. I want to talk to you about what actual FTM token is. So FTM token is the primary token for Fantom. And like it says, it's used for securing the network through staking, for governance, for payments, for fees. So exactly in depth to them, what is it for? So the main utility of the token is to secure a network via proof of staking system. So to participate in this, you do need to have a node and hold a minimum of 3,175,000 FTM. So, and there is thousands of the people doing this, okay? So you have to have that and it needs to be locked up. So in return, the node and the stakers will be rewarded, which is fair enough because they are allowing this network to expand like it is. Besides preventing centralization, the system is also environmental friendly, which is a big one. We all know what's going on with Bitcoin right now. I'm not fudding it. I love Bitcoin, but the damage to the environment is just needing sorted out. And FTM absolutely sorts that problem out. Now the payments, okay, it's ideal for sending and receiving payments thanks to the network's high throughput. It's very low fees, very literally zero. As you can see here, 0.00000000001, okay? That's a lot of zeros, like it says. On-chain governance, which is a massively important thing, it's fully permissionless and leaderless in the decentralized ecosystem, which is something that we need 100% to have this ecosystem running. The network fees, okay, like we've talked about, they deploy smart contracts to create new networks. Without a minimum barrier, the network would be an easy target for spam, so ultimately hampering the performance and filling the ledger with useless information. On Fantom, fees are very, very, very cheap, but sufficient to make it extremely expensive for a malicious actor to carry out an attack. So they have to have fees, is what it's saying, because they will get attacked. This is the ecosystem here. You can look at the proof of stake. Obviously going around, it requires FTM to secure the network, receive rewards and fees, and then to the FTM holders. Or you can go down there's more value in staking and taking the adoption route and going up. Or go right above the top with the incentivized to stake and increase. The supply is 3.175 billion. 2.1 billion are currently in circulation. How to buy it? You can literally buy this token. If there's a wallet that you're using that you can't buy this token, I'll be surprised, okay? Leave in the comments if there is one. You can prove me wrong. But Binance, obviously, and you can go crypto.com, any of the other big wallets, Coinbase, Trust, MetaMask, any of them, right, will do FTM. I've got mine on crypto.com personally. Now, I want to show you going into the wallet, okay? So you're going to click on the Fantom DeFi here. It's going to take you into the wallet. I've not got, this is a demo wallet, so you can't see how rich on Fantom I am. So there's your home. You can look at your wallet here. Stake and rewards are going to turn up here and you can add the delegations. This is where you're going to go and mint. Okay, so you'll lock your collateral here, unlock it, claim your rewards once you've already done the F mint and the mint since and repay them. All this basically means is you can actually use the FTM, okay? It's a minted version that you're minting this. So you're gonna lock collateral in there and allow it to mint for you. All right, really, really cool and an easy way to make money. They got the F swap, so if you want to change FTM into WFTM, which is what you need to mint, is wrapped FTM, then you need to change it into there. You can choose how much you want to and keep some in your FTM wallet for other kind of staking. The FUNI, so this is where you're going to change it into other things. Okay, I've not got the token set up on there, but you can just press max and change it. The governance, this obviously gives you all the details of what's going on here and what stake. So for example, here on January the 17th, total votes 57.3.9%, which is the update to run a node on Fantom. Okay, and it's required 500,000 is equivalent. Just read on this and you can actually see what's going on. You could play a part in doing the votes on this and have a real say in what goes on in the future here. Settings of your wallet, obviously if you want it dark, if you want it auto dark, if you want it right to left like that, switch them around and use your slippage. Try and use the lowest possible, okay? That's your wallet. Super, super friendly, super cool. Looking over on their Twitter now, okay? We have at Fantom FTM. Obviously, it is verified completely. Click follow, give them a shout out, say you're from our channel, and they might just give us a follow. Who knows, okay? Going down, they obviously get good engagement. It's a huge project. They put super fun things up about giveaways. They also put incentive programs like this up. So new 335 million FTM incentive program with Gitcoin grants. As you go down, you'll see obviously some massive tweets about them. All of these projects that you're seeing are involved, okay? So obviously when they're tagging them and things like that, they're going to get this. This is just a retweet from Fantom Talk. Moving down, you can see some of the studios going through the NFT kind of thing and getting into the studios. See some animations going on. And you're also going to see stuff on the consensus and talking about what they've got, okay? Just keep an eye out because there's so many projects with these that you want to get involved and see what tweets they're doing. They have got the information for every project that is connected with them. Guys, that was incredible. I am super blessed that I get to do this with you. If you are too, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tickle that notification button so you will get notified when I'm back in action. Now, I have had a blessed day. Let us know in the comments if you have, and I'll see you on the next video.